Hi guys, it's Brittany, and I just want to show you how to do a pediatric fluid maintenance formula using the dimensional analysis method. So here on the left we have our question, and we have our formula that you should remember, especially for your pediatrics class. So pediatric IV daily fluid maintenance formula in a 24-hour period. For the first 10 kilograms of body weight, you give 100 milliliters of fluid per kilogram. For the next 10 kilograms of body weight, you give 50 milliliters per kilogram. And for each kilogram above 20 kilograms of body weight, you give 20 milliliters per kilogram. So the question is, a child with gastroenteritis is NPO. The weight is 20 kilograms and IV fluid rate is 60 milliliters per hour. Is this an adequate fluid volume? And I just want you guys to keep in mind that when you have pediatric fluid maintenance, you have a 10% rule, so it can be within 10% of the range here, okay? So we'll start by doing the first 10 kilograms of body weight, since this patient is 20 kilograms. So for the first 10 kilograms of body weight, we get 100 milliliters per kilogram. So we get 1,000 milliliters for the first 10 kilograms. Now the patient is 20 kilograms, so next we do the next 10 kilograms. And for the next 10 kilograms, we get 50 milliliters per kilogram. And let's say if the patient was 23 pounds, or 23 kilograms, we would do 3 kilograms times 20 milliliters per kilogram for that body weight above 20 kilograms. But since this patient is only 20 kilograms, we only have to do the first 10 and then the second 10 body weight, and we can add those together, these two here, so that comes out to 1,500 milliliters. And that's what the patient should be getting in a 24-hour period. So we can take our 1,500 milliliters and divide it by 24 hours. And we get 62.5 milliliters per hour. So that is our safe amount, or our fluid maintenance amount, for this patient who is 20 kilograms. Now remember, I said there is that 10% rule, so you can go 10% below or 10% above. So we can calculate that. 10% of 62.5 milliliters is 6.25. So we know that we can go 6.25 milliliters per hour in either above or below. So if you think about it in a like range format, where you have 62.5 is your middle number, the lowest you can go is 62.5 minus 6.25, and that's 56.25. And the highest you can go, 62.5 plus 6.25. And that is 68. Oh, I did the math wrong. 62.5 plus 6.25 is 68.75. So the fluid maintenance for this patient should be between 56.25 milliliters per hour and 68.7 milliliters per hour. Now we can go back to the question, and it said that the weight is 20 kilograms and the IV fluid rate is 60 milliliters an hour. Is this an adequate fluid volume? So from finding out the answers to this question, we can see that, 60 milliliters an hour would fall somewhere in this area, and that is within the safe range, and that's the lower 10% of 62.5, but that is okay. So we know that 60 kilogram or 60 milliliters per hour is adequate. Okay, that's how you have a fluid maintenance. That's how you follow the fluid maintenance formula for a patient in the dimensional analysis format. And it's actually the same way you would do it for a desired over half format as well. Just make sure you do the body weight for the first 10 kilograms, the next 10 kilograms, and then any kilogram above that. You follow this formula, add all of them together like we did here. We added these together to get this number here. And then remember that this fluid maintenance is within a 24-hour period, so you have to follow this next step, okay? And you also should remember that 10% rule. All right, thanks guys.